Welcome, Financial Matriarchs. Today we're diving into how tarot can illuminate your path to financial stability. Budgeting isn't just numbers, it's energy. Let's align your wallet with your spirit. You're not just managing money, you're managing intention. Tarot helps reveal subconscious blocks, patterns, and opportunities. Budgeting becomes a ritual of clarity and empowerment. Meet your spiritual CFO, the High Priestess. She represents intuition and inner wisdom. Before you budget, pull a card. Ask, what energy surrounds my finances this month? Budgeting tip: track your spending with love, not shame. Use the Empress card to channel abundance. She reminds you, nurturing your finances is self-care. The Fool isn't reckless, she's brave. Starting a budget can feel scary, but like the Fool, you leap with faith. Begin with one small step. List your income and essentials. Pull a card for each spending category. The Lovers for relationships, the Chariot for travel, the Hermit for solitude. Let the cards guide your priorities. Feeling stuck in debt? The Devil card may appear, not to scare you, but to reveal unhealthy attachments. What are you spending on that doesn't serve your highest self? The Wheel of Fortune reminds us, money flows in cycles. Budgeting helps you ride the wave, not drown in it. Use tarot to spot when it's time to save versus invest. Mental health check-in: woman getting massage, pull a card to explore your emotional relationship with money. Is it fear, Five of Pentacles? Or confidence, Queen of Pentacles? Create a monthly ritual. Light a candle, shuffle your deck, review your budget. Ask, what financial lesson am I learning? Journal your insights. The Magician says, you have all the tools. Budgeting apps, spreadsheets, tarot decks, use them. You're not powerless. You're the architect of your financial destiny. Celebrate small wins. Party popper: did you stick to your grocery budget? Pull a card to reflect. The Sun card: you're glowing. Honor progress, not perfection. Tarot doesn't replace financial planning, it enhances it. Think of it as spiritual analytics. You get data and divine insight. That's holistic wealth. Your spirit guides want you to thrive. They speak through symbols, synchronicities, and yes, your budget. Listen, align, prosper. You're not alone on this journey. Subscribe for more tarot plus finance wisdom at Financial Matriarch. Share your favorite card for abundance below. Let's grow together, spiritually and financially.